YouTube viewers, today I'm gonna show you and prove you that not all the universal remote control will work to your brand or garage door motor. Like in my case, I have the Liftmaster right there, Liftmaster motor, garage opener. And it said to program this universal remote control, first you have to press the yellow program button. Until this small light will lights on, and they said for the universal remote control, you have to press it just once, and then you heard the click twice from the motor. That means the motor or the program is acknowledging the universal remote control. Well, see. So I click once and wait and wait and wait, and it didn't work. So that means this universal remote control, I just bought it from Timo, the same as an Amazon brand kind of remote, universal remote control. There's no even no brand name in it or on it. I just bought it and it didn't work. So there you are. This universal remote control, it won't work in any, or maybe another motor, guards motor control or guards control will work, but at this, in this case, it didn't work. All right. So this is it. Not all the universal remote control, especially when there's no serial number or name on it, that will work. Okay, there you go, and thank you very much. All right, okay, have a nice day, everybody. Next time when you buy a remote control, make sure that it will works, or there's a serial number on the back, and then it says universal remote control with a serial number in it or on it. But this time